Well, for the hike of the week, we're on the Bartram Trail in Rabun County, Georgia, starting at Warwoman Dell, and we're hiking up past Martin Creek Falls on up to Pinnacle Knob, which is on a little side trail off of the Bartram Trail. It's a beautiful morning, another great day for a hike. Walking up out of Warwoman Dell, nice little stream here, Becky Branch. Headed up toward Becky Branch Falls. It's a short but steep climb up to Warwoman Road. And here's Warwoman Road. Bartram Trail sign. Here we are at Becky Branch Falls. Beautiful little falls here. And it's only about a quarter mile into the hike. Working our way on up the trail toward Martin Creek. See all kind of wildflowers today. Clusters of foam flowers here. A lush green habitat here. Well, I can hear Martin Creek rushing down there, so we've arrived there, and we work on up the valley here to Martin Creek Falls in a bit. Sun is still shining. Weather forecast was questionable today, but I think most of the possibility of rain will be in the afternoon. Hopefully after we get back to the cars. We've seen several of these vases trillium. Very large trillium with a purple flower. Nice little waterfalls on the way up to the big fall. I don't care what anybody says, you cannot beat the North Georgia mountains. Here's the footbridge across Martin Creek, a bit below the falls. We're working our way on up the trail just a little bit further. One of the good highlights of this hike is Martin Creek Falls. Beautiful mountain waterfall. Nice viewing platform. There's Angus, our trail dog today. Walking deep down into a cove here, really beautiful spot. Here we're coming into the intersection of the Pinnacle Knob Trail. The Bartram Trail continues straight to the Courthouse Gap, but Pinnacle Knob is up on this little side trail.
Hey Dick, I waited for you back at March.
And we're arriving at Pinnacle Knob. Trail leads out onto a nice rock face with some awesome views. It's our lunchtime destination. Here you look up into the North Carolina mountains in this direction. A fringe tree in bloom up here on top of Pinnacle.
Either wring the neck or he'd tie it up and shoot it up in the tree by its legs, stretch the neck out, and cut it off with a knife, and it just flops around on the leaves.